Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Please make sure to like, subscribe, and also share these videos with your friends so we can all learn more about crypto. So today in this video, we're going to be seeing how we can avoid getting scammed on trust wallets with NFTs, right? So we're going to be seeing how we can stay clear of these trust wallet NFT scams. So right here in my wallet, we notice there are two tabs, right? So there's the crypto and there's the NFT tab. So we all know that non-fungible tokens, which is called NFT, is fast becoming so popular. And as such, scammers are taking advantage of this by robbing people of their hard-earned money, right? So of course, everyone knows that NFT pays sometimes. If you mint an NFT, you're gonna get some good reward for it. So people are rushing to take advantage of every opportunity they see. But in cases like this, these ones you are seeing right here, they are all scam NFTs, right? So you don't want to interact with these things you're seeing, these NFTs you're seeing here, right? So if you click on this right now, if you click on this button, they're going to automatically take control of this wallet and steal all of the assets in this wallet. All right. So if you scroll down here, you see that there are lots of them. All of these NFTs, they are no real NFTs. They are all fake. They are scams. You don't want to interact with that at all, right? So if you must click on this, what you can do is rather report, right? So you can report it from here and hide it. They will take it off. You won't see it again, right? That's the best thing to do, right? So now let me show you something. If you click on this now, you click here. If you scroll down, you see that this contact address. If you can just go and check it, you see that it is scam contact address and this link as well. These are no real. And if you click on this send button, in your mind you want to send it to another of your wallets, or you want to actually mint it or maybe claim this money. This is $81,277, right? If you click on this, they will take control of this wallet. They won't just steal all the money in it. If someone sends you money or anything happens, maybe you earn from, maybe money just coming to this wallet, they're still going to take it. They will get notified. They will get notified each time someone sends you money into this wallet. All right. So that's them taking full control of your wallet, and you don't want that to happen. All right. So before you, what I can advise is that before you interact with any NFT project, what you need to do is to make sure you do your own research, do proper research, check for those projects, go to their social media handles, see how they are doing, see the content they are posting, see for their communities. If they have active community, else you just fall victim to this audio or virtual money you see in here, right? Because this one is just numbers. They just put it here and then with some smart contracts that can harm your wallet. So you want to stay clear from this, all right? So I believe that this video is going to be of help. It's going to help us to know that these are scams and stay away from it. Please share them to people, all right? I know better because I've been scammed before. So I've lost more than $500 sometime last year to these NFT scams, all right? And that's why I decided to do this video now so we can help those that don't know about it yet. And you that know about NFT, please make sure to do your research properly before you interact with any project. All right. So thank you all for your time and stay blessed.